Hi, this is Carla from HeyLinkMe, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can activate our Google AdSense Premium Access in our HeyLinkMe page or account. So basically, HeyLinkMe has partnered up with Google to allow us to earn money by showing ads into our HeyLinkMe page. So if you are familiar with Google AdSense, it is a program run by Google which allows us to create money or to earn money through publishing our online content. So in this video, we're going to talk about the step-by-step process on how we can activate our Google AdSense access in our Hailing Me page. So to get started, let's click on the Earn tab. And we can see here that there are three conditions that we must first complete in order for us to apply or to request for access on Google AdSense. So to qualify for Earn feature, you must first meet the following conditions. The first is you must first verify our email. So once your email is verified, you can see it here that it will already have a green check. The second condition is that we must complete our profile. So there must be the link added, the social links, we have our avatar uploaded, our theme changed or customized, etc. So basically, our profile must be complete. And the third important condition that must be met, we must be able to generate traffic on our page. So again, it will have a difference for starter users and pro users. So if you only have a starter plan, you must first have at least 1,000 views into your Hailing Me page and 200 or at least 200 visitors. On the other hand, if you have a pro plan, which is what we recommend, you only need to have 300 views as well as 100 visitors. And if you have met these conditions, you will now be able to send a request to turn on advertising on your Hailing Me page and then to start earning money, monetizing your audience. So once these conditions are met, let's click on send request. So when we turn our advertising on Hailing Me page, we agree to not generate page impressions or clicks by clicking on their own live advertising placements. We agree not to use automated clicking tools, traffic sources, robots, or other deceptive software. We agree not to have prohibited or restricted content, fake engagement, impersonation, misinformation, etc. And we agree on Hailing Me terms and policies. Your account will be permanently suspended if one of these guidelines are breached. And once we have checked all the boxes, we can now click on next. In this step, we're going to select our top audience countries and we can choose a maximum of 10 countries. So for example, if you are based on Australia, most likely your top audience will be, or your top audience country is Australia as well. But again, we can select up to 10 countries that we know are our top audience. So the more we select, the more monetization opportunities we will have. So just for example, let's click on maybe the first 10 just to show you that we can choose up to 10 countries. And afterwards, we can apply for review. So it will lead us to this screen which says that the Hailing Me team will review your account and automatically turn on advertising if it meets all our advertising guidelines. In this stage, your account or your application or request for advertising is still being reviewed by our team. So in the meantime, there is a guide with the best practices on what accounts should have to be approved for the Earn feature on Hailing Me. We can choose to read the guide so that This is very useful to know what profile has more chances to be approved for earned feature. So you can read that. And once our request has been approved, we will receive an email from Healing Me like this, which says that we have been invited to exclusive Healing.me and Google AdSense Earn program. So this is just a confirmation email, and if we click on the Earn tab once again, it will look like this. So let's just move this one. When we click the Earn tab, it will now look like this, which means that advertising is now turned on into our Healing Me page, and we can now earn money by showing ads in our page. And now we can connect our AdSense. So just click on an email or a Gmail account to connect your AdSense, and then click on continue. Since I don't have an AdSense account yet, it will show us this screen which says that no AdSense account, and this is because my email or my Gmail is not yet associated with any AdSense account. So it will give us an option to either sign in to a different Google account which is already associated with AdSense, or it will give us an option to sign up for a new AdSense account. So in this example, let's click on sign up for a new AdSense account, and then click again your email. So now we can get started with Google AdSense. We will just have to copy and paste our Healing Me page URL here, and then yes, to get customized help and performance suggestions, we will specify our payment country. So for example, Australia, and then check on the terms and conditions, and now we can start using AdSense. Click here. And now we can follow these steps to start earning with ads. So we can enter our payment information, you can see how ads look on our site, and connect our site to AdSense. So this is required, and let's click on this button. So in here, it says that our site needs review, and we will verify site ownership. So we will just copy and paste this publisher ID below into the AdSense setup page in Healing Me. So this is our publisher ID. Let's just copy and check this and click on next. And let's just request review. So once we have clicked, once we have our own AdSense account linked into our Gmail or email, we will just have to click the connect to AdSense, and then it will look like this. So this is the Google AdSense Premium Access. So once we have linked our AdSense to our Gmail account, and when we go back to our Healing Me page and click the Earn tab, it will look like this. So this is the Google AdSense Premium Access, and this is our ID, the AdSense Publisher ID. And in here, we can see that verification is still in progress. And it typically takes 1 to 2 days to update. Again, if there are other concerns, questions, or inquiries, you can email support at Healing Me to address those concerns. And you can always refresh the status to see if we have already been verified. But after this is verified, we can now earn money through showing ads in our Healing Me page. And we can check our earnings here in AdSense by clicking on View Earnings. And that's basically how we can activate Google AdSense Premium Access into our Healing Me accounts. Once verified, we can now earn money through showing ads into our Healing Me page. And again, we can view the earnings when we click this. That's basically it, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.